Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sheyi Dairo. I want to train you on how you can make legit money online through your mobile phone and a good internet connection. And if you have a PC, that's fine. And with these three devices or things, you are okay to make legit money online on a daily basis. Today now, we want to talk about these three apps whereby you can make use of them to make money online. Within 10 minutes, you can make $10. All right, before going further to that, I got inspiration of making this video through one of my YouTube subscriber, which I call them fans, because anybody that join my Telegram channel or join my group on Telegram, I used to refer them as my big fan. All right, I got one of them that requested for this there, that they want me to show them how to make money in dollars. All right, so that's why I'm just bringing this one now. If you also want to join my family, you can also click here this description. When click the description, you will see you see it here now. You can see join my official Telegram channel. Through the channel now, you're able to see the group where you can also join the group. All right, let's go back to the business of the day. And before going further, please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, just click the subscribe button here and turn up this notification bell. Then give me a like. If you think this video makes sense to you, give me a like. Then don't forget to leave me comment on this video, how you feel about the video. First of the 3 hours that you can make money online is called userfill. So you can just go to Google and type userfill.com. So this is the homepage of userfill. You can see it now. This is userfill. So what are we now going to do to make money from this app? The first of the app is userfill.com. All right, I'm not telling you to just type and go. Please, I need to explain to us some certain things before you move further. Please, so just stay with this video and watch it to the end before you will navigate out. You can see that we have over 130,000 qualified testers from all over the world. What are we going to do? So the purpose of this is just for you to test things on. They will ask you some certain things. You will test some things on. Then let me quickly show you how it works. You will test. They will get some kind of feedback from you, and that is just the simple test. Certain things you will do. So just for you to test something, give them feedback, and they will pay you for that. All right, let me quickly click here and show you how it works. Here now, you click this place. For tester now, you click. Sorry, for tester now, you will click this one. Tester FAQ, so frequently asked questions. So let's click it now and let's see what it's all about. So this one now will help you. If at all you have typed this on your Google browser, so you can easily click on this tester FAQ to know how it works, how you can make money from this one. So become a tester and earn $10 per test now. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your phone, with your home computer or smartphone. Read the following instruction and watch the example video to understand what our customers are looking for from a tester. So, attention, read the following instruction carefully before applying, or you risk your time and not getting paid. So you have to read this one very well. I'm going to glance through this. What do user ability tester do? All right, I'm very sure you are nervous about this, so I'm going to read it. They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps site owner find and fix usability issues. It's just very straightforward. So this is what you are going to do and make money from them, right? Do testers need to buy products or service from the website they test? No. You may be asked to go through the checkout process of online stores, but most of the time, the scenarios will ask you to stop before clicking on the final submit button. In any case, you should not enter your real credit card details while performing a test. All right, third question is, what equipment do I need to be a tester? In order to test website and get paid $10 per test, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer. If on Windows, you need to have Windows 7 or newer. Your computer also needs to have a microphone, either internal like most laptops have, or external. If you need to buy an external microphone, even the cheapest one selling for around $2 will work. Should I use my real name and address while conducting the test? No, you should use fake details while conducting the test because you just need it for testing only. So that's just what they need. They are not requesting for your data. All right, next is, in what language should I speak? You speak in the language of the test. You will be sent test in your native language, and sometimes in another language that you have set as fluently spoken in your profile. So you should never be asked to speak in language that you do not speak fluently. All right, you can read further on this and have full understanding on how it works. All right, so the next is, how can you be part of the program? How can you benefit from the program? You can just click it and you will see become a usability tester here. Now here you just click it, so, or click on get paid test, get paid to test. So let me click on this one now, become a usability test. So from here now, register a client, register as a tester. So you have two options here, register as a tester. Now you are going to click register as a tester. That is one means, right? Let me go back again and show you other means. You can click here now, get paid to test. So get paid to test now is very straightforward. If you click it, you put your first name, last name, email, confirmation email, country of residence. I'm from Nigeria, and that's why you're still Nigeria here. So you are going to fill everything here now. Then make sure you fill it, because this your information, your data here now will determine the kind of test they will be giving you. So make sure you are putting what you really understand. Do not lie by putting some kind of information you don't really know about. Put your information right, and they will give you tests that are related to what you can answer about. They apply for it. All right, I think we are done with this one. You can make your money, cool cash money, legit money, $10 within 10 minutes. All right, let's go to the second one, and the second one is Honey Gain. Honey Gain. Now, what are we going to do with this? You can download this thing for Android. This is Honey Gain, right? So this one now, you have this on your phone, and without compromising commission, Honey Gain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for a gain access to the storage of your device. So you're having this on your phone now, you can make money. It depends. So you have to go through this. This also estimate your earning. Your earning directly depends on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain network. The money you share, the money you earn. $19 per month. So it depends on how you want it, your ability. So as I'm increasing this one now, you can see now daily traffic shared, daily content delivery. So you have to go through this and see your ability with this one now. So it's just your private. They just need the kind of data they will collect from you. You have to get this one on your phone, and you will make your money. You can read further about this also to have full understanding of it, but you can make your money from this site. It's a legit way of making money. The third one now, very simple. This one now, this is the site, they call it Money App, moneyapp.org. So the app now, you can get it from Play Store directly, Google's App Store, and if you're using an iPhone, you can get it from Google from App Store, then from Google Play. So you can get it but let's assume I want to get it now from App Store. I'll click on App Store from here. Then let's check information about this. So they have almost 125.4 thousand rating. People that have rated this there. I rated 4.9. You can see it now, rated 4.9. So many people are really benefiting from this app. That's Money App. You can see it. So if you register with them now, these are let me just click learn more button. More button, so I can read detail on it on this one now. So this is how to make money from this app. Earn money with small tasks. Best reward apps. Get money for completing tasks, giving opinion, checking store displays, mystery shoppers, testing services, free trials, many things there are many ways you can make money from this app. They have many tests, many things they can give you, and small, you're making your money from it. You can do it anytime and can dedicate as much or as little time as you want. There are no complicated missions, and best of all is a fun and quick way to make a few extra bucks. Imagine Money app pays fast, no gift card or discount. You are paying hard cash in your PayPal account. How does it work? Complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards. 1. 2. Reward your credit for cash via PayPal. Then the third one is get paid in 2 to 3 working days. So these are ways you can make your money online. I'm just sharing this opportunity with you, and I believe that you can also do your research about this and make use of the opportunity to do something. There are still legit means of making money online. Do not involve yourself in kind of fraudulent activities. If you are very smart, you will make your money on a daily basis. Please, if I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are very new to my YouTube channel, and give me a like to this video, turn up the notification bell, comment, let me know what you feel about this video. I love you. Bye bye.